Welcome back to Guide with Samuel, and in this quick tutorial you will learn how to use ready-made Zapier templates to automate common tasks instantly. First, head to the Zapier homepage and scroll down until you see the section called Popular Templates. You can also click on Template from the left-hand menu for more options. Next, type your workflow goal in the search bar. For example, try searching add new Gmail emails to Google Sheets or post new Instagram photos to Facebook. Once you find a template that matches your need, click on it. You will see a preview showing which two apps are connected, the trigger events, and the action that follows. Now, click Try It. Zapier will prompt you to sign into both apps involved. Just follow the steps to connect your accounts. After connecting, Zapier will show you sample data from your trigger app. Just click Continue and review the fields in the action steps. Once everything looks good, hit Publish Zap and ready to run. And it's ready to run. Your automation is now live without needing to build it from scratch. Remember guys, if you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.